Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to finish up some shop builds, some shop mods that we already had going and we have planned. Also, we have something that we really want to share with you. It's the new build. We're going to reveal it to you. It's sitting right over there, but we're not going to show you until the end. Also, we want you to meet somebody very special. Doesn't say a lot, but he's definitely part of the family. So before we do all that, we have something we just have to do. Thank you to all of our veterans and all our first responders, and we just want to display how proud we are of you and our country by doing this. All right, it's time to finish up some of our shop builds and mods. So today we're going to actually run the electrical wire for the bench area. We're going to put some lighting, receptacles, some power strips, and also possibly the breaker box. Okay, we're going to go ahead and install the breaker box. The reason why we're going to install it right here is because the power to the building will be coming in directly behind this spot. Makes it easy, and let's get at it. Yes, I'm a lefty.
Me too.
So it's confessional time. I forgot to get the outlet boxes, so I'm gonna have to go back to the hardware store and get them, but it's already late. We're gonna go ahead and finish what we do have so we can go ahead and hang the lights, run the wire for the receptacles, everything else. So we're gonna go do that and call it a night.
All right, it's time for another confessional. I made a mistake up here. You guys can probably see it. These LED lights, they daisy chain together. Well, I can't exactly daisy chain them when both ends can't be daisy chained, so I got to turn this one around. I don't know if you can hear us, but we never mess up here at being powered. Never. All the electric is ran for the receptacles now. When I actually go get the boxes tomorrow, then we can start wiring it up. Also, we have these nice little pieces of trim board that we're gonna fill those areas, those holes there, so we don't lose anything. Matches perfectly. So we're just gonna cut those real quick and screw those in, and I think we'll call it a night. It's late, we're hot, sweaty, hungry, so we're gonna go ahead and just finish this up and call it a night after we let you meet the special guest and show you the next build. It's much nicer. We won't lose things. All right. Now, I think that's it for what we're going to do on the workbench. and the lights
For tonight.
and the electrical for tonight. Now we're gonna have to introduce our special guest. It's time to end the video. So, like promised, we have somebody for you to meet. I would like to introduce John. He's been a part of the family for about 30 years now, but take a look. This is John. So now we got freedom and nature side by side. So he is never going to be a part of our family. Who knows what he'll have to say. He's going to have some important pieces to video come in the future. So welcome, John. Any comments you want to have about John? Go ahead and throw them down in the comments section. And for last but not least, we want to reveal the next big build. Now we're going to be waiting for some parts because some of them are kind of hard to get. So we'll probably do some mods on another vehicle, which I'll show you that in the next video. But if you turn that way, you'll see our next build. So now that you've had a quick look at the car, it's a 1971 Mustang Mach 1. Originally, which I will show pictures on our Instagram. You can find our Instagram below or in the description. Also, this car has a 351 Cleveland, but it's painted now. Now we have to actually start rebuilding it. We have a lot of the parts. We'll have to we have to actually refurbish some of the parts, or we have to buy some new parts. It's going to take a while, but it's going to be rewarding. This is my first classic car and my first big build, so it's going to be a lot of fun. It's not going to be easy. I have no clue what I'm doing, but I'm going to learn it along the way, and I'm going to bring you with me. And that's it. Throw your comments below. Tell us what you think. We want to have it. We want to name the car. We want to name her, so him or her. So throw your suggestions in the comments below, and we'll pick a name. All right, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you for joining. If you have not done so, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. And make sure you check out our Instagram page where things that don't make it into the videos, we still post those pictures. We have pictures and videos of previous builds that we've done in the past that before YouTube was ever a thing. So make sure you check those out. I'm stuck.
What?
I'm stuck.
Just Dukes of Hazzard out the window.
I want to scratch the paint. I'm going out the other side.
Are you coming out of the booth?
Whoop. We gotta get this thing fixed.